Hello and thank you for joining me for the second Bell Direct reporting season video for February 2024. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. As reporting season ramps up, so too does investor reactions to both the first half of FY24 and the outlook provided or not provided for the second half of this financial year. This video outlines why investors have been impressed by some retailers despite results showing declines across major metrics, while also explaining why investors sold out of a key building products manufacturer despite the company reporting record results. And finally, a key trend of pre-warning the market of poor results to come has driven investors to hit the sell button over the last few days despite full results from companies not being released yet. Strategic move or preparing investors to brace for the worst? Sign up to access the full video, and from there you'll receive our weekly reporting season insights and coverage. So be sure to sign up to find your investing edge this reporting season.